Hello everyone. So I'm Dr. Anjudhar, lifestyle coach, back again for the awareness talk of fatty liver. Fatty liver has been labeled as lifestyle disease now. Earlier it used to say that fatty liver common होता है सिर्फ alcoholic patients में, लेकिन अभी non-alcoholic fatty liver disease is also common. Why? Due to change in our lifestyle, sedentary lifestyle. है ना Dr. Vivek?
Yes, ma'am.
So here I have invited my special guest for this awareness talk, Dr. Vivek Pandya and Dr. Kripa from Kripa Diagnostic Center. So I will request them to highlight on this detection of fatty liver.
Yes. So through this new technique called elastography, we can diagnose a progressive liver disease in each of the patient. And nowadays it is very common to find fatty liver in alternate patients. Like I can find in every 2-3 patients, every 2 to 3 patients. So it is very common to diagnose this disease at early stage, so that you can just prevent it very early stage and through simple modifications of life.
Is it really?
Yes,
2
yes.
to 3 patients
Yes,
getting?
every 2 to 3 patient I am getting fatty liver in
Okay.
sonography.
Okay. So
Yes.
Dr. Vivek, what is the difference between this elastography word I am listening from you?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it the advanced technique from the previous used to do regularly
Yes.
for the detection of fatty liver?
यस मैम. सो अगर मैं सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बताऊं तो इलास्टोग्राफी एक ऐसी टेक्निक है कि जो लीवर की हार्डनेस को मेजर करती है,
Okay.
जिसमें साउंड वाइब्रेशंस गो टू द लीवर, कम बैक टू द प्रोब अगेन, एंड इट कैलकुलेट्स द एग्जैक्ट परसेंटेज बाय यूजिंग आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस.
Oh.
As you can see in this report, it is calculated that which stage of the fatty liver it is,
Oh.
and accordingly we can treat the patient.
Oh wow. So I hope friends now you are aware of how to detect fatty liver also. जैसे हम बाकी ब्लड टेस्ट भी करते हैं, विटामिन डेफिशिएंसीज एक्स्ट्रा. So it is important to detect your liver also.
अंजू मैम, आप तो लाइफस्टाइल कोच हो, राइट?
Yes.
डायग्नोसिस का पार्ट तो हमने कर लिया है.
Okay.
So, can you put some highlight about this reversible fatty liver?
Yes, why not? Friends, it is a good news that fatty liver is always reversible if you detect it at an early stage. है ना कृपा मैम?
Yes, yes.
And
Perfect.
how you can cure it, you can reverse it by early detection.
Yes.
And then we will make some dietary changes, some lifestyle modifications, and then your liver can be healthy again. So you can consult to your radiologist for detection and
And lifestyle modification coach for the prevention and early stage reversible changes.
nice. So friends,
Stay
Stay fit,
fit,
stay
stay
healthy.
healthy.